everyone. My annual leave kicks off today, as you know, and I've not been in here for a while, but it's a lovely sports bar, part of the social pub and kitchen, just like the Boundary is near where I work in Farringdon. And I am in the director's box in Canary Wharf. It's a bit quiet at the moment, but this is a very nice sports bar. A little quiet at the minute, as you can see, but it's very nice in here. I used to come here quite a lot at the end of 2024 and a lot of 2025, but just things got really busy, so I decided to pop in today on my day off. And yeah, it's really nice in here, so if you're ever in Canary Wharf, pop by. This is pit stop number 1 for me. And have a good day at work.